appreciate your time and effort here. And congratulations on passing the assessment. We forwarded applications to a bulk of people. So maraming hindi nakapasa. Maraming hindi nakapasa dun sa recording. May nakapasa naman pero yung recording pero talagang hindi siya tugma dun sa virtual assistant na training na to. So that's the reason why you're here. And I'm actually proud to say that you're one of the best considering your interest and effort. And we'll try to change your lives as we move forward. Kung may dahilan lang kayo, diba? Bakit kayo nandito? So I'll inform you that.
My expectation in this training is, of course, I'm gonna gain more knowledge about lead generation.
I just want to know more about how VA works to earn more money. That's my objective right now.
Yun talaga yung objective natin.
Yes.
Here's our agency, Venture LLC. So our campaign for lead generation, real virtual assistant. So this is our mission, guys. Personal to para sa amin kasi gusto namin makatulong sa mga katulad nyo at katulad din ng mga trainees dati na napag-graduate namin certified. May mga trabaho na sila after a month. It is our goal to uplift labor and employment in the Philippines by aiming to provide quality and world-class virtual assistant training services. World-class kasi magiging kliyente nyo foreigners, Australians, Americans, and also we firmly believe that Filipinos could absolutely execute with exemplary world-class technical services, compete and dominate the virtual employment arena provided they are given equal opportunities, knowledge, necessary and relevant training experience to gain competitive advantage. So galing kami sa BPO. So alam namin kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nyo, kung ano man yung trabaho nyo ngayon. You have your own mission and vision. So our vision is for Filipinos to secure international standard employment working as a virtual assistant that provides above industry compensation, thus enhance their economic standard of living and respective families. Simple lang, cheesy. Gusto na namin makatulong. Ganun lang kasimple. So my name is Kendrix Benitez, and you can call me Drix. Don't call me coach, don't call me trainer, don't call me sir. We are all equal here. I'm actually a technical customer support for 7 years. Hirap ng trabaho sa BPO kung sino man yung nakapagtrabaho dito sa BPO na. And also, I'm actually working as a virtual assistant on lead generation since 2015. I'm also a graduate of computer engineering from TIT Manila. I also a civil service professional passer. So, siguro magtatanong kayo, pasado naman ako ng civil service. Pero bakit hindi ako ng civil service? Sa government, kung hindi ka malakas, sorry sa word, but I'm gonna be honest, kung hindi ka corrupt, hindi ka yayaman, di ba? For you to have financial security, you should be having a business and also some connections. Here's my diploma. Graduated way back 2008. And also, this is my civil service eligibility. Okay, work experience. So sabi ko nga, sa BPO kami nagsimula. So Teletech, this is dito yung mga center na tumagal ako. Pero hopper ako, medyo hindi naman ako ganoon kasipag, parang gusto ko lang magtrabaho. Magtrabaho ako depende dun sa compensation. Ang sahod ko Citibank sa credit card lang mga 25,000. So kung interesado ako mag-virtual assistant, sigurado to sa employment, ito talaga yung future. Ito yung mas malaki in the comfort of your home, right? So, I introduced myself. So, if you could please introduce yourself. So, para makilala naman natin yung isa't isa. You can speak in English. You can speak in Tagalog. Pero wag naman yung kung taga Mindanao kayo, Bisaya. Di ako nakakaintindi ng ganun. Okay, so let's start.